Welcome back to MyFoodiFoods. Today we are going to make some homemade sliders. My recipe for this is about a pound of lean ground beef. I'm going to add some panko breadcrumbs, 1 egg, some pico de gallo, Worcester sauce, and a little bit of liquid smoke. Mix that up into small slider patties and then place it on the grill rack inside the Foodi on air fry, air crisp for approximately 10 minutes, flipping halfway through. Then we're going to do some french fries and onion rings. So completed meal will be shown. Check back in a minute. Okay, so now I have rolled and patted the patties, and I was able to get about 8. And I have a package of 12 Hawaiian buns, but no biggie. And out of that 1 pound of meat, getting ready to place them on air crisp for 10 minutes, flipping halfway through. And in the second Foodi, I'm going to steam the Hawaiian buns when these have about 2 minutes left. And after that, we will be eating hamburgers after we do the french fries and onion rings. So that was the easy recipe for doing homemade Hawaiian sliders with Hawaiian buns. Okay, so we're all done here. I have my bacon crisp and these tender, juicy sliders. They were truly so tender that the ground beef was falling back into the Foodi. So these are going to be really delicious to eat. And we have french fries and onion rings that are complete and about to cook those up. And 2 minutes on the buns on steam. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed this particular MyFoodiFoods recipe. Until next time.